Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DeleteMe for removing personal data from sites, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the DeleteMe website through your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be directed to a subscription page with different plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Click on the Select button for your desired plan. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Fill in the required fields and click on Continue. Next, enter your payment information on the secure checkout page. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Purchase button to complete your transaction. After your purchase, check your email for a confirmation message from DeleteMe. Open the email and click on the provided link to activate your account. You will now need to sign in using the credentials you just created. Upon logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can add the personal information you want DeleteMe to search for. Follow the prompts to enter details like your name, address, and phone number. Once you have entered all relevant information, submit the form. DeleteMe will begin scanning for your personal data across various sites. The process may take a few days, so be patient. You will receive updates via email regarding the status of your removal requests. Check your DeleteMe dashboard periodically for progress updates. If you notice any remaining data after a few weeks, use the dashboard to submit further requests. For any issues, you can reach out to DeleteMe's customer support for assistance. This completes your subscription process and setup for removing personal data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.